Kraksalo Rajakhor Agulini Kunjaban Lok Bhavano Kaisa Pandani Bisingtwi NCC Cadets Rokno Borom Yapharjakha Pandao Manjakha Hasteni Hastepha Indrasena Reddy Nallu Khobwi Kuchwk beremni Officerok
Ashalo Hasteni Hastepha Indrasena Reddy Nallu NCC Cadets Rokni samung humungno chajagai kha gahamtei Borom Yapharkha abo haikeno Boromni samung humungno tei saka Hastepha.
Set today is minimum you must achieve tomorrow. As I look upon this assembly of smartly turned out cadets with your polished boots and gleaming inside, I am reminded of a time long ago. That is a perception that a governor sits within the walls of the Lok Bhavano, distanced from the daily lives of the people. But today, I feel a deep sense of connection with each one of you because I am not merely addressing you as the first citizen of the state. I am addressing you as a comrade, as someone who once wore the same uniform and answered the same roll call. I was in NCC Cadet too. I have felt the stiffness of new boots, the exhaustion after long route march, and the unique camaraderie that forms when you share a tent with people from different corners of the country. The NCC is not just an extracurricular activity, it is a grooming ground for life. It teaches you a second language, the language of service, unity and patriotism. The lessons I learned in the corps, punctuality, respect for hierarchy and the importance of putting the team before the self are the very lessons that have guided me through my career and life. When I see you, I see my own youth reflected, and it fills me with the confidence that the future of this nation is in safe and capable hands. The NCC gives you a unique platform, but what you build on that platform is up to you. The training you receive here provides a blueprint for a successful and meaningful life. I urge you to channel your energy into 4 essential aspects of a cadet journey. First, plan your service. The NCC motto, unity and discipline, must extend beyond the parade ground. True service begins when you take off the uniform and interact with your community. Plan to be the citizen who helps the elderly cross and row, who leads a tree plantation drive, who stands up against injustice and who helps during natural calamities. The people of Tripura should see your NCC badge and know that help has arrived. Second, plan your academic. Some might think that physical training and drill are the only focus of the NCC. I tell you, a sharp mind is as important as fit body. The same discipline that makes you wake up at 4 in the morning for practice must be applied to your studies. Knowledge is the ammunition for your future.
Rajakhor Agulini Sibi Pranami Koktu, Chini Khorang.
আনন্দ আর ভালোবাসার দীপ্তিতে গড়া সমুজ্জ্বল পরমা, ঠিক তোমারই মতো। শ্যাম সুন্দর কোম্পানি জুয়েলার্স, আগরতলা, উদয়পুর, ধর্মনগর, কলকাতা।